This is the beach where I swim this morning from 7 to 8. Ayan. Look at the beach. Ayan. I swim here. Just free, no? Yung cottage lang ang i-rent nyo po. There. Tingnan nyo po yung mga cottages. And then, there are so many who have here. Yeah, this is Dangkalan Beach Resort here in Bulusan, Sorsogon. A very friendly beach because napakalawak po ng mababaw lang na part ng beach. Kaya ang sarap maligo. So, if you happen to pass this part of Sorsogon, this is from Barcelona, you will pass this going to Bulusan. This is Dangkalan Beach. See, ang daming naliligo. Kanina, 7 o'clock ako'y lumusong ay halos wala pang tao. Ayan. And now, it's almost noon time, no? Ayan, pero ayan. So, nakita nyo po yung mga cottages where you can stay and enjoy. Ayan, ang sasaya ng mga they are enjoying. Ayan, may mga coconut tree. Ayan, you can just pick buko. Ayan. Siguro for sale. Ang ganda ng kapaligiran. Ayan. There. Ang daming naliligo. Ang ganda ng dagat. So early morning and late afternoon is the best time to swim here kasi not so hot. Ayan. Saka in the morning, hindi gaano. Pero kahit na napakadaming tao, still, it's very good to swim because napakalinis. Napakalinis na kapaligiran. Yeah. Ng linis. Yan, ang dami mo sa swim. There. Ay, good morning. Magkano po yung cottage?
Ay, ma'am, magandang umaga po. Doon po tayo sa may entrance po. Doon po yung nagbabayad.
Ay. Pero you don't have any idea how much?
Wala po.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Meron ba madama doon sa pinakadoro na ano?
Ayoko na bumalik doon. Galing na ako doon eh.
Ay, wala na sila doon?
Ay, hindi. Dito lang. Naisipan ko lang tanungin kasi...
Ano kasi may doon?
Ano dito talaga sa dito, 200.
Okay.
Tapos pag may lamisa, 350.
I see. Okay. So,
Yun lang.
okay. Sige. Maraming salamat po, sir. Ayan. 200 without table yung cottage. But if you need a table where to put your food, kung may food kayong dala, it's additional 150. Ayan, kaya 350. Still very cheap, right? Walang entrance. Ayan, ang sarap, diba? So here, so you can sit here in dito, ayan, oh. Pwede ka dito magsandal-sandal sa ayan. Ito, this is a coconut tree here. You can see here, ayan. I'm in the coconut tree. Ayan. So, this is it. Ayan. Tuwang-tuwa sila. Ayan. Oh, napakalilim here. Hindi mo aabutin yung hindi mo mafe-feel ang heat ng sun kasi ang refreshing naman itong mga puno here na nagbibigay ng lilim. Ayan, see ho. Mga bata, they are enjoying much. Ayan. So, free, walang bayad. You just come, no? You can bring your tent. Ayan, katulad niyan. Ilatag mo. And then, you can swim na. Just bring your food if you want. Pero may mga tindahan naman na you can buy food, no? Ayan, look, oh, the tent. We have the tent. Oh, ayan. Oh, sinasampay nila sa mga puno yung kanilang mga basang damit. Ayan, no? Kakatuwaan sila. So they are enjoying the beach, no? Ayan, maganda dito maglakad kasi yun nga, malilim yung puno ng kahoy. Dito ka lang sa gilid dumaan. Ayan, ayan, no? May mga dala silang pagkain. They have food. Ayan, and they have tent. Ayan, may tent sila. Kasama nila ang baby. Ayan, so yung stroller. Ayan. Sa kanya-kanyang ang ganda ng dagat talaga. Grabe. Napakatindi ng sikat ng araw, pero once you are in the beach, you cannot feel the heat of the sun. Yan, no? So clear and so clean.
Bawal magkato dito, ha? Bawal dito magkato dito rin, ha?
So, pack lunch. They have their food with them. Oh, ang ganda ng puno. Ang ganda ng maupo. Ayan. Ang ganda. So, this is Dangkalan Beach of Bulusan, Sorsogon. You can just come and swim. Walang babayaran. Ayan. Only the cottage. If you want to have a cottage, just for 200 plus table, it will cost you 350. Ayan. Ito ay Talisay. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda ng view. Ayan. Ganda. Diba? Those are the Talisay. Ang sarap. The other side are green coconut trees. So this is it. To ensure mayroon din police here. Dahil today is Sunday, kaya madaming naliligo here. Maraming naliligo. Ayan yung National Road there. Malapit lang ito sa National Road. So dito ako dadaan kasi medyo ayan, meron din upuan. Ayan, the family relaxing. Ayan. Ganda ng puno, right? Kasi maganda ang puno. Ayan, diba? Ganda. So here, ayan, malawak itong beach, no? Malawak at napakalinis talaga. Tsaka very safe kasi ang lawak ng ang lalim niya ay hindi siya malalim. Tama lang. Kaya look, the children are free to hindi ka mag-aalala na baka malunod. Kasi malawak yung mababaw na part, no? Mababaw na part nitong beach. Ayan, okay, may mga bata. So nakakatuwa. Mayroon din mga benches na you can relax. Ayan, wala, free of charge. Yan, yung mga benches na yan na nakaano sa lilim ng puno. Ayan, you can relax there. And of course, you can inquire here. Mayroon ditong tourist center, tourism center na you can inquire kung mayroon kang tanong. Ayan, may tent sila. Sarap maligo. Mayroon din you can stay overnight. Ayun, yung over there. Mayroon silang for you can stay for overnight. But I think very cheap lang naman. So, ayan. Here, you can inquire here how much pag mag-stay ng overnight. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Pag mag-overnight,
Ay, wala pa po overnight din eh.
hindi, how about dyan? Sabi meron daw.
Ayaw po dyan sa may Emilias.
Yeah, how much naman? Do you have an idea?
Hindi po.
Para ka maalam kung magkano. Okay, sige. Thank you.
Tanong po kayo ng kabila lang yan.
Okay, kaming mga nakamotor. Yan. So you see. Yan. Diyan daw sa Emilias. Ayan. That's a private part. Yan. Can inquire how much per night if you are going to stay overnight. So, I will inquire para to provide you a complete idea if you decide and enjoy the beauty of the beach here in Dangkalan, Bulusan, Sorsogon, kung saan napakalinis at it is along the national road, so madali siyang puntahan, very accessible po. So if you are coming from Sorsogon City, you will pass the town of Gubat and then town of Barcelona. You can also pass, you can see the tourist spot in each town. And then from Barcelona, town of Barcelona, next is town of Bulusan. So upon reaching, before you reach the town proper of Bulusan, madadaanan nyo po itong Dangkalan Resort na napakaganda talaga. Of all the beaches na napuntahan ko dito sa Sorsogon, ito yung paborito kong liguan kasi napakalinis at saka safe dahil malawak yung tama lang ang lalim, malayo yung malalim na matatakot ka baka ka malunod. Ayan, oh. Ang gandang liguan at saka walang bato, talagang buhangin lang talaga ang maaapakan mo. Here, ano to? Boracay, wow, Boracay Bistro, Love at First Bite. Oh, Dangkalan, Bulusan, Sorsogon. So mag-inquire tayo dito kung how much yung per night if decided to soon to open Christian Learning Center. Okay. So ito yung sarado naman. Ayan yung Emilias Beach Resort. Ayan yung private na besides the Dangkalan Beach Resorts. Mag-inquire tayo para I can provide you a complete info if you happen to decide to relax in this place, no? So ayan, may nagtutugtog, patayin ko na muna.